this video, we will be going over MSS Software's Bus Tracker. This simple barcode student tracking application does something no other application can do. It tracks students to the buses they are supposed to be on and alerts you when a student is not on the correct bus. It also shows any missing students who haven't checked in yet. Before we go into a quick demo of how this works, let's first look at the process this system requires. The bus tracker works by setting up students with an ID badge or ID card with their own unique barcode. All students will then be assigned buses to board. Their assigned bus is known in the system as your correct bus. This is all compiled into a list and then uploaded into the barcode reader. As a student steps onto the bus, their barcode will then be scanned. If the bus is correct, the scanner will indicate that and record the date and time of the scan. If the bus is incorrect, the scanner will notify you with a warning screen and beeping noise. The benefits of the bus tracker is that it speeds up bus attendance, making sure everyone gets checked in quickly. Any notifications are immediate, whether it be a correct or incorrect bus scan, the student is missing on the bus, or if any scan is a duplicate. And lastly, the system records all check-in dates and times. So as you can see here, this is a sample spreadsheet of some students, their bus numbers, and their barcode ID numbers. This is uploaded into this barcode reader so that it has information of the students in its memory. Here are some sample badges with their barcodes to match the data on the spreadsheet from earlier. The badges or cards can look like anything, but the barcodes must be on them, and the barcodes must be clear with a white background behind them. I'll now scan a bus for bus 1. This scan will be recorded with its date and time. Next, if I'm scanning another student who belongs on bus 1 and a student who doesn't belong on bus 1, so an error message is displayed for that student. And these are the results of my 3 scans. Note that only 2 records are filled in because the 3rd scan was for an incorrect bus.